Hello, my name is Dmitry Rozhnov. I'm the area manager for Hunter Industries and FX Luminaire in Eastern Europe. And today I'd like to present the Luxor controller, a device that is capable of controlling and powering multiple lighting fixtures depending on the needs of the property. So we have an option to program certain lighting programs and also to launch and stop themes of lighting. So for example, we can have our lights in different groups. We can have the entrance group, we can have the security group, and we can have the architectural group. And these groups will operate at the specific program that we set. And so for example, we can have all groups light up with the sunset, work till say 11 o'clock in the evening, and slowly turn off with only the security group being on for the security, obviously. Another thing I'd like to share, that all of this technology is quite simple and safe. It's low voltage equipment that uses 12 volts to power, and only requires a 2-wire path going to all the fixtures. So there is basically no need to have multiple wires going in all different directions. And I guess that would be the brief explanation of our product here today. You can learn more on our website, fxl.com.